Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever felt that tingling, pins and needles sensation in your feet? Do you struggle with cold hands and feet, no matter how many socks and gloves you wear? Have you noticed weird colored patches on your legs that seem to come and go? If this sounds familiar, you may be exhibiting signs of poor circulation. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 major warning signs that your circulation may be impaired. Poor circulation is more common than you think and can lead to a myriad of health complications if left untreated. The circulatory system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Good circulation ensures your tissues and organs receive adequate blood flow to function properly. As we age, circulatory health tends to decline. Unhealthy lifestyle habits like smoking, obesity, and inactivity also damage blood vessels and disrupt normal circulation. Recognizing symptoms early is key to preventing chronic issues down the line. So let's jump right in and go over the top 5 indicators that your circulation needs some care and attention. Cold hands and feet. Do your extremities feel like ice cubes even when it's warm? This is a classic sign of poor blood flow to the farthest points in your circulatory system. Your core stays nice and toasty while your hands and feet freeze. Pay attention if coldness is persistent or worsens at night. Changes in skin color. Skin discoloration can manifest in a few different ways when circulation is sluggish. You may notice paler skin or light blue purplish hues in areas like the legs, ankles, and feet. Red blotchiness after sitting or laying down is also common. These are all symptoms of blood pooling rather than flowing smoothly. Varicose veins. Those squiggly enlarged veins most prominent on the legs and ankles are called varicose veins. They form when blood collects in the veins and stretches them out. Varicose veins may be itchy, painful, or cause leg swelling and heaviness. If you see these surfacing, circulatory issues are at play. Dry, flaking skin. Dehydrated, flaky skin that never seems to improve with moisturizer can indicate impaired blood flow to the skin. Areas like the lower legs and feet are most prone to this symptom. Dry skin stems from inadequate delivery of nutrients, hydration, and oxygen. Exfoliating dead skin is your body's survival response. Decreased hair growth. When circulation falters, hair follicles also suffer from lack of oxygen and nutrients. Your legs, feet, and toes may slowly start losing hair. Remaining hair also becomes finer and more sparse. Brittle, slow-growing nails are directly tied to poor peripheral circulation. Don't ignore these changes. So in summary, cold extremities, skin discoloration, varicose veins, dry skin, and changes in hair growth are 5 warning signs of circulatory issues. Now let's go over some natural solutions to improve circulation from the inside out. Eat omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids act as a natural blood thinner to enhance flow. Fatty fish, walnuts, chia, and hemp seeds are great sources. You can also supplement with 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams fish oil daily. Exercise regularly. Any activity that gets your body moving and your heart pumping is beneficial. Aim for 30 minutes daily. Walking, running, cycling, swimming, and strength training all support healthy circulation. Take movement breaks. If you have a desk job, get up and move around for a few minutes every hour. Sitting stagnates blood flow, especially in the legs. Stretch your legs, march in place, anything to activate your muscles. Try compression socks. These socks gently squeeze the legs to aid blood flow back to the heart. Helpful for those on their feet all day or with chronic venous insufficiency. Avoid tight clothing. Extra snug clothing around the waist, thighs, or calves can restrict circulation. Opt for comfortably fitting attire that doesn't pinch. Skip hot baths. Avoid bathing in very hot water, which expands blood vessels causing blood to pool. Lukewarm showers are better for circulation health. Maintain healthy weight. Excess weight puts pressure on blood vessels, impeding blood flow. Shedding extra pounds can significantly improve overall circulation. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and depletes oxygen levels in the blood. Kicking the habit enhances circulation almost immediately. All right, friends. That wraps up today's video on how to spot warning signs of poor circulation and how to enhance blood flow naturally. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you experience any of these symptoms or have tips to share. Subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you all next time.